Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to set up a Zoom call for beginners. Whether you're hosting your first meeting or just want to make sure you're all set up, this video will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Zoom installed. If you haven't already, let's go through that step. Go to zoom.us and click Sign Up, it's free. You can also download the Zoom app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. If you're using a computer, click on Download Zoom Client and follow the installation instructions. Once Zoom is installed, you can either create a new account or sign in. If you already have a Zoom account, click Sign In. Otherwise, select Sign Up to create an account using your email address, Google or Facebook. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Zoom homepage. Now let's set up your first meeting. From the Zoom homepage, click Schedule a New Meeting at the top. Here you can customize the details. Give your meeting a name, set a date and time, and select other options like whether the meeting requires a password. You can also choose whether the meeting should be recurring. You can adjust additional settings here, like whether participants can join before the host, mute participants upon entry, or enable video by default. You can also choose whether to record the meeting automatically. Once you're happy with your settings, click Save. After saving, you'll see the meeting details, including the invite link. You can copy this link and send it to your participants via email, text, or any messaging app. You can also use the invite button in Zoom to send invites directly. When it's time for your meeting, simply click on the link you shared or open the Zoom app, sign in, and click on Join a Meeting. You'll be prompted to enter the meeting ID, which is provided in your meeting details. You can also directly click the link to join. Once you're ready, click Start to begin the meeting. You'll be taken to a screen where you can adjust your audio and video settings, ensure your microphone and camera are working, and click Join with Computer Audio. When you're all set, you can click Start Video to turn on your camera. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Zoom call. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Happy Zooming!